Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, remember that everything shared here reflects my personal experience with the product. In this video, we're taking a look at Peloton, specifically their website, onepeloton.com. This platform offers a wide range of interactive fitness classes, from cycling and running to strength training and yoga. Navigating the site, you'll find a sleek and modern design, making it easy to explore their diverse class offerings. They clearly highlight their various subscription options, detailing the benefits of each tier, including access to live and on-demand classes, as well as performance tracking and community features. The site also showcases their impressive lineup of fitness equipment, such as their signature stationary bikes and treadmills, providing detailed specifications and purchase options. Beyond the hardware, Peloton emphasizes the community aspect of their platform, highlighting the opportunity to connect with other members and participate in group challenges. They frequently update their blog section with fitness tips, nutritional advice, and inspiring stories from their user base. OnePeloton.com also provides extensive customer support resources, including FAQs, troubleshooting guides, and contact information. They make it easy to learn more about their instructors, each with their own unique style and expertise. This allows you to choose classes that align with your fitness goals and preferences. Peloton clearly emphasizes the convenience and flexibility of their platform, enabling users to work out anytime, anywhere. The website provides a comprehensive overview of the Peloton experience, showcasing the value proposition of their connected fitness ecosystem. From the equipment itself to the digital platform and the community, OnePeloton.com offers a comprehensive look at the Peloton world, inviting users to join their fitness journey. They do a good job of highlighting the social component, showcasing how their platform fosters a sense of community and shared achievement amongst its users. The site is well designed and user-friendly, making it simple to navigate and discover the range of resources and features Peloton has to offer. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just beginning your fitness journey, OnePeloton.com provides a wealth of information to help you achieve your health and wellness goals.